If you're trying to find a new way to make money, whether it's online or offline, then chances are you have already come across a lot of mentors, or you will soon enough. And mentors are supposed to help you to get to the next level and make more money and change your life for the best. However, I watched a video or a YouTube video yesterday of someone losing their job, failing in business, and spending all their money by listening to a mentor. Now, here's the bad part. A lot of these mentors aren't actually trying to teach you anything or make you any better off. They're more like salesmen or marketeers. All they do is try to sell you a program. Maybe it's a book to get wealthy, or it's a course to help you start a business, or some one-on-one coaching that will supposedly change your life forever. And while you can find legitimate mentors that can actually do all those things for you, the majority of mentors on the internet right now only want to sell you a product. So in this video, I'll be talking about how these mentors can keep you poor and prevent you from ever making any money. I'm also going to be talking about how you can go about finding a real mentor that will help you and the things to look out for so you can know if a mentor is just trying to get your money instead of providing you with any real value. Now, I want you to comment down below and let me know this. Have you ever come across any fake mentors, or just mentors, I guess you could call them, online that were trying to sell you a product without actually helping you? Comment down below. Now, if you're new here to the channel or you're watching one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Ian and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics relating to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications, as that's the only way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. So back to mentors now. Now, the definition of a mentor is someone who provides you with guidance because they have experience in a particular field. So for example, let's say you wanted to start an ATM machine business, right? Surely you would want a mentor that actually has or has done that before and is successful, and this mentor will most likely not need your money because they already have money. So the first red flag here would be a mentor that tried to instantly sell something to you. If they're charging thousands or hundreds for their time, then that probably just means that they want your money more than anything else. Now, of course, a mentor may charge you for their time, but here's why they won't charge you a lot or they won't charge you at all. They actually get a benefit from being your mentor. So again, in the example of starting an ATM machine business, if you're with a mentor, then they will tell you about the business and they will show you. Now, while you are learning, you're also going to be doing some of the work for them because that's how you learn. So you'll be learning and also being like an assistant to them to some extent, even if it is for a short period of time. Now, this way, the mentor gets more value from mentoring you, and it's a win-win for both parties. So a mentor may charge, but they surely won't be trying to convince you to pay them. They'll probably give you the option to pay them, but they won't spend 15 minutes on a call with you trying to convince you to pay them $1,200 for their mentorship. So if you come across a mentor and they're trying really hard to get you to purchase something, then chances are they just want your money and they're not a real mentor. Now, secondly, a mentor is probably not going to have any time for you. That's just the real truth. They're going to have so much going on in their businesses that they won't have the time to stop and mentor anyone. So if you're looking for a mentor, you may want to start at a lower level and finding a mentor that can help you, but not with everything. So if you're just starting a business, for example, the mentor that you want to take you step by step to make your business a success is probably not going to want to help you because they won't have anything to gain from it. In this case, for you to be useful to them, you would have to know about business, so at least you could be like an assistant and providing value at the same time while learning more. So this again goes back to mentors that try to sell you programs that cost hundreds and thousands of dollars. Real mentors don't spend all their time trying to mentor people solely for money unless they're really old and they just can't work anymore. Now, to make this even easier to understand, right? Let's say you work a 9-to-5 job and you work at a company and you want to become a high-level sales executive, and there is a director of sales there. If you're an entry-level employee, chances are the director of sales isn't going to have any time for you and isn't going to help you in getting a promotion or promotions to become a top-level sales executive. However, if you start with maybe a manager or someone lower in the organization, then the chances of them helping you are greater. And then in a couple of months, when you either know a lot or you get promoted to a higher position, then you may be able to approach the director of sales, and then they may have time for you because now you know a lot more about sales. So in the same sense, most likely the mentor you want will have no time for you, even if you try to pay them. They don't see the value in taking your money. So find a mentor that is doing whatever you want to achieve on a smaller scale, and then learn what they're doing to be successful, and then apply it to your business or your life. You don't really need the most experienced or the most expensive mentor to get you results. Think about it. As long as your mentor knows more than you, then you will learn. Now, the second part to this was how these mentors can keep you poor or make you poor. Now, this is easy. Most of these mentors won't take a one-time payment from you. They'll put you on a billing cycle, which means that you pay a couple $100s every week or per hour, and you also will need to see them for a set amount of hours each week. It's really like hiring an attorney and they tell you that, hey, you need a $5K retainer upfront for my services, and then I'll bill you at $400 per hour, and you need to meet with me for at least 3 hours every week. So in this case, you keep paying the mentor, and in return, you just keep losing money. Some mentors even publicly claim or tell people that going into debt to pay them for mentorship is the best thing to do. They'll tell you to use a credit card or get a loan because, of course, you'll get all the money back you spent in value. Now, this oftentimes isn't the case, and you usually get nothing in return with these mentors. Just a very high credit card balance and some personal loans. So at the end, you could end up with no value, no business, no extra income, a lot of debt, and you'll now need to work twice as hard to pay that debt off. Now, I'm mentioning this because at some point you'll need to also get rid of your mentor. It makes no sense to keep a mentor when you want to go off and do your own thing. Remember, the mentor teaches you how to become successful. You then have to do the work. So this is going to be a lot like school. You go in and you learn, and then you leave and you apply what you've learned. So as soon as you've learned all you can from a mentor, then you should definitely leave. Now, this is how you can spot another fake mentor. They don't have any set time frame of getting rid of you. If they just want to have you pay them with no end date or goal in mind, then chances are they only want your money and they probably need it more than you do. So without making this video very long, the main point is this. Try not to get into the trap of paying any mentors or fake mentors thousands of dollars and then getting no real value in return. Now, finally, I want to say that having a mentor isn't always required. You can accomplish your goals without the help of mentors, and mentors don't even have to be people that know you or you know. The authors of books can be your mentors. Most of the information you're looking for is in a book somewhere, or in books, or even in forums of people having similar ideas and doing similar things. So use all the free resources that you can get your hands on first before paying for a mentor, and you'll find that you probably don't even need one. Now, I hope this video helps, you find it very helpful, and if you'd like to see more videos just like this one, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, as that's the way these videos get recommended to more people here on YouTube and can potentially help someone out as well, and I'll really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos here on the channel on credit cards, banking apps, savings accounts, investments, ways to make money, personal finance, and much more. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to turn on all notifications for this channel, as that's the only way you'll be able to see the updates of when I post new videos, and I'll be posting a new video here every single day on YouTube. Now, I'm leaving a couple links down below to free stuff and free cashback offers, so be sure to check all the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. Once again, I hope this video was helpful. All the best. Try to keep away from fake mentors, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.